Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. So right now we're already here in Colborne. It's another province of Ontario. From Ottawa, so we have a long travel of about 4 hours. So here we're gonna go to the Big Apple, which is the last destination. So let's go. So we arrived here. Time check is 6 o'clock in the evening. So marami ding mga bus tour na nag-stop over dito para bumili ng mga pagkain, mga pasalubong or souvenirs. Nakababa na kami sa bus, so we're going to the store. Ayan, papasok na kami. So ito yung entrance nila guys. Ito yung labas. So, yan. Papasok na tayo sa supermarket nila. Ayan. Malaki yung store nila. Tsaka, ayan, may mga pastry. Ang dami mo palang mabibili dito. Yung mga souvenirs. Yan, andun sila. Yung bakery nila, makikita mo talaga. Tsaka yung, yan, Big Apple Store. Tsaka more in pie. More in donuts. More in pastry. Ayan. Ang dami nilang mga products pala dito. So, ito yung mga nila guys, mga pastry na pwedeng pampasalubong. May mga apple pie, apple tart, any kind of pastry. And then, we have also chocolate crumble. And then, yan. We have also kinds of jams. So if you want also to buy some coffee, they have also coffee station. You can put also the milk or cream, depends upon you, and then you need to pay in the counter. So, tapos na kami nakabili. So, pupunta na kami sa counter para magbayad. Lalabas na kami dun sa backyard nila. Ayan, ito yung makikita mo sa backyard nila. So, malawak yung area nila. Ayan, makikita mo yung table and chairs. Pwede kang upo doon kumain. Makikita mo yung the big red apple. And then, may ano din sila, yung playground. Tsaka mini zoo. So, it's time to go back now in the bus. Time check is 7 o'clock in the evening. So, at least nakabili na ako ng apple cider at coffee. Yung apple pie ko kinain ko na kasi 1 hour pabalik ng Toronto. Kaya, balik na tayo. So, ito na nga. Pauwi na at saka pagod. Ayan, natutulog na yung iba sa bus. So, sigurado mamaya pagdating sa bahay, pagod. Enjoy but tired. So, yan lang guys. And that's for the video for today. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!